The question is, what ideas from this workshop would you like to explore again in relation to your TIE piece? Go, offerings. James.
Different scenarios. Different like scenarios and what can seem real, I guess.
You need to be more specific. Your TIE piece, how are you going to use what you've done today?
I think you're like using different situations to show the same sort of message, I'm assuming.
In a personal,
Yeah, that's right.
In a personal kind of way, more realistic, so that people can relate to it.
Thank you.
Sam? Oh, sorry. I didn't see a hand.
No, I like the idea of getting the people to give their own oppression stories and then to improvise from that. That was cleverly done.
Good. You might have to consider, depending on our topic, if that's too sensitive a thing to do in front of your peers. But I agree that that's nice.
Yeah.
I was basically going to say the same, like getting sort of source material from the audience and then implementing that into our piece. Yeah, would be good.
But it would depend on how willing the audience is or how confident they are.
And you're not necessarily going to know that is the issue. So you might have to have a safety net, an alternative, if you don't get the audience that will comply.
So some of them didn't really know what to take. So then we came up with that. So one story that you've heard about and you've been touched by it, but it doesn't imply you in it. But it's just a story you would like to share with us. So that could be a thing as well. If you don't want to share your own story.
I like the idea of showing the first version of the story and then finishing it and then asking, ask the audience what would they do differently to change the course of the story. I think that's pretty much what we're looking for.
Got one last point.
And the idea of the crime is because I had an idea of like using a Cluedo-based
Yeah.
well, you know that Cluedo-based workshop basically, where so obviously we'll make up a story. We'll be the actor, and there will be maybe a crime, and but a realistic crime. That's why I wanted you to explore the crime. It was a bit confusing. But to have a crime at the end and then stop it, and then so the kids will be involved and will have to know who killed who for which reason. So the reason would be what we want to show them, the oppression and what it could lead to, and yeah. So that was this idea, and then see. So when they find out who killed who, why they did the crime, then we could speak with them about it, and then we could just do a full scene again with them in it, right? So ask them to do their scene. So it was more of this introduction we wanted to lead you to.
Just to be different, the thing I saw, the potential to create a scene maybe out of, was the warm-up. You imagine we've got a playground scenario and you've got small groups of people, pairs, individuals, threes, whatever, and each person has a sound, a line in character, a sound with rhythm, a song, something, and maybe a gesture with it. And it could all start loud, and someone could conduct which bits you hear, and you can hear an aspect of that character's life. So you've kind of got a hubbub, and you can tune in and out of different bits, and as a whole, it creates a nice rhythm or sound as well. For me, that would be a really interesting starting point for a session. Or when we've got a story, to put something together with everything, maybe at the end. What are you giggling about?
Nothing.
Is it relevant? No. Okay, then maybe don't giggle, because it makes me paranoid, and that's not nice for anyone. Thank you very much.